Hi everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today's topic is 15 popular English words in internet and social media. Number 1. Nepotism. Nepotism is the act of using your power or influence to get good jobs or unfair advantages for the members of your family. You might have noticed this word in recent days, mainly on Bollywood-related videos. Number 2. Blooper. This is one of the familiar words in YouTube. Bloopers are the funny mistakes made in a film or television program by the artists and usually removed before the film or program is released or telecasted. Number 3. Thuglife. This word has different meanings proposed by different people. Few say a thug is a man who acts violently, especially who commits a crime, and so it is the life of a criminal. Second set of people say that thug life is a term used with pride to describe a person who started out with nothing and built himself or herself to be something. They are using it in a positive way. Third set of people say that the word thug life is an acronym for the phrase which you can see on the screen. They relate the word with the hate for babies or infanticide related stuff. Number 4. MASHUP. MASHUP is a type of recorded music or video that consists of part of different songs or images that have been combined. You might have seen the mashup videos made by singers. Number 5. Flash mob. A flash mob is a group of people who assemble suddenly in a public place, perform for a brief time, then quickly disperse, often for the purpose of entertainment, satire, and artistic expressions. You must have come across this term when a man proposes a girl with a surprise. Number 6. Prank. Prank is a trick that is intended to be funny but not to cause harm or damage on someone. A person who is fond of playing pranks is called a prankster. Number 7. Blog. Blog is a regularly updated website or web page, typically one run by an individual or small group. It is a truncation of weblog. A person who regularly writes material for a blog is called a blogger. Number 8. Vlog. Vlog is a form of blog for which the medium is video and is a form of web television. Vlogger is a person who regularly posts short videos on a platform like YouTube. Number 9. Troll. Troll is a word that acts as a noun and as a verb. Troll refers to someone or someone's action of leaving an intentionally annoying or offensive message on the internet in order to upset someone or to get attention or cause trouble. Number 10. FT. You might have seen this word in the title of the videos and wondered what it was. FT or FEAT are both abbreviated forms of the word feature, which provides an indication of an artist being featured on a song or a video. Number 11. HD. Normally, we search images or videos with this word. What does this word mean? HD is the abbreviation for high definition. HD is used to describe a system for showing very clear pictures on a television or computer or mobile screen, or for producing very clear sound. Number 12. Web series. A web series is a series of scripted or non-scripted online videos, generally in episode form, released on the internet. Number 13. Spoof. Spoof is a funny and silly piece of writing, music, theatre, etc. that copies the style of an original work. Number 14. Meme. Meme is an idea, image, or video that is spread very quickly on the internet. Number 15. Beatboxing. Beatboxing is the activity of using your mouth and voice to make sounds like a drum. If you have a deep love towards music, you might have known this term. Hope this video gave you a lot of information. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and ShareChat. Thank you.